How to merge videos on Canva. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is go to the canva.com or Canva app and make sure you are logged into your Canva account. Once all of these are done, all you have to do is tap on the plus create and design option available at the top left corner of your screen, or you can simply tap on the video option available there. Then simply choose a video format, landscape or for Instagram or for YouTube. Then once you choose a video size, all you have to do is tap on the upload option available in the left hand bar. Once you tap on the uploads, you will have to upload the videos you want to merge. The two videos or three videos you wanted to merge, you can simply upload them one by one. First, let's tap on the upload, then tap on the upload file option available there. Choose the file from your device and tap on it and open it. Now all you have to do is drag and drop the video. Now tap on the plus icon available at the bottom, right next to the video you just dropped, and again repeat the process. Now all you have to do is tap on the upload file again and upload the new video after you tap on the plus icon. Now, once uploaded, again drag and drop the video on the blank page. And once done so, you can simply see that two videos are merged. You can do as many as you want. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.